Hi everyone, this is Tara with Rihanna Stark. This is another pick a card reading. In today's reading, we will cover the topic messages and blessings coming your way this September 2021 from your angels or your higher self, that is. Like always, we have two piles here. This is pile A, which is a book, and this is pile B, which is a heart. Viewers, you can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you are being drawn to. Incidentally, we also have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. Pick pile A, which is a book right here. Possibly, you have to go back to formal education or you have to do some kind of studying. Maybe you need to read a book as well, or perhaps you should join the library to gain more knowledge. I think your angels are asking you to enhance your skill set, so that is why I think education is going to be the key year for you this month of September, that is. I'll keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading pile A is the Queen of Cups. You're certainly coming across as someone who's quite beautiful, intuitive, emotional, and a bit generous as well. I think you're also quite articulate. You're going to have your way with words this September. But you should also be careful because there could be somebody who could stir up trouble in your life. Possibly there could be a female figure, whether at work or on the home front, who could perturb you or who's up to mischief, that is. This is the Suit of Cups, so certainly you're dealing with the water signs, that is Pisces, Scorpio or Cancer. They come into play this month, or maybe you're also one of those signs. I think pile A, you're also somebody who's quite emotional. That is why you could be sensitive to criticism or censure. Ideally, I think you should have a more cooperative approach. You should put your ego aside and you should cooperate with family members or even with colleagues. I think you feel quite threatened at work. Maybe someone is trying to pull the rug from under your feet. That is why you want to put your point of view across. That is why those of you who are in the leadership position need to be a bit careful as well. Perhaps you shouldn't be too set in your ways. Perhaps you should be more forthcoming, or you need to bury the hatchet and take everyone along. The next card in this reading is the Two of Wands. Surprises are certainly on the cards for you. Maybe your family members are also going to promote your skills ahead of others. Blood is always thicker than water. Anyway, you will have to negotiate and you have to have your way. Maybe you will be discussing your pay or your salary with your boss. Money is something which motivates you to do better. Largely, I think you won't be disappointed. Money will come in this month. The next card in your reading pile A is the book card from Lenormand. This is interesting because we do have the book right here, so certainly you are being asked to pay attention to learning this month. Maybe you need to research, maybe you need to brush up on your qualifications. Perhaps pile A, you need to buy that book or gift a book to somebody. For some of you it will also be quite beneficial if you would pen down your thoughts. Basically, pile A, you have to jog your memory. Maybe there is hidden knowledge inside this book which is waiting to be discovered. Perhaps there are also secrets that lie within you which you don't want to blurt out. From cartomancy, we have this card, Seven of Diamonds. Certainly, pile A, you are planning about the future. Maybe you are going to invest in gadgets. Maybe there will be technical issues which could come up this September. Nevertheless, I think rewards are also going to come your way. Maybe even more than you have bargained for. However, while investing, I think you should be careful because sometimes we put in more and later we may realize that those accessories were unnecessary. Another card we have here is the Four of Clubs. I think your home gets all your attention. Maybe you're going to invest in furnishings or you're going to do up your home. However, pile A, you should also be careful because on the work front, I'm also picking up that there could be jealousy and rivalry. There are green-eyed monsters around. Maybe they are going to be copying your ideas. Nevertheless, I think your boss is quite aware that you're ahead of the pack, that you're quite ingenious. I think you'll be able to complete a lot of work one after the other. But you need to be patient as well because we have this card, patience. Maybe the storm clouds will pass if you're being patient, even if there's somebody who is resorting to trickery or guile, or who's sharpening knives behind your back. I think you should be patient because everything will unravel this month. Basically, you have to accept or tolerate the delays and the hiccups without becoming annoyed or anxious. You have to stay calm. Certainly, your time will also come. From the Romance Angel deck, we have this card: Release your ex. I think you need to let go of somebody who is no longer important in your life. Possibly this is a love connection which is affecting your present relationship as well. Most definitely your love life will improve once you emotionally and energetically release your ex-lover. I think this will increase your overall happiness, give you the feeling of freedom. Maybe that is why you need to be patient, or you need to heal yourself with respect to this relationship. For some of you, it's also possible that you may find yourself attracting people reminiscent of your ex. Finally, I'm also picking up that there's a possibility of a work-related romance. Ideally, I think you should go with the flow. We also have this card, Two of Wands here, which was the second card in your reading. We also have the Four of Clubs here, which relates to the Four of Wands in the tarot. So certainly it's a twin flame card. Possibly you may not realize that this person is your soulmate, but eventually as life goes on, you will realize the same. Even those of you who are romancing, I think you should be more polite with your person. Maybe there are times when you could give each other the silent treatment. You could snub the person. Even if the person is trying to get to know you better, maybe you are going to brush him aside. At times, you may also desire commitment from this person because of the Four of Clubs here. Maybe you want a formal commitment from this person. Sometimes, you may feel as though you're in a state of suspension. Incidentally, Archangel Michael is telling you that you're guarded and protected, even if there are residual energies from your past. You need to be rest assured that you are being guided through your intuition, so you should follow your intuition. Sometimes, because of this ex, you may feel vulnerable, you may feel as though things are falling apart. Perhaps it's time to open your heart to giving and receiving love. Maybe it's time to be open to new love that is there. Even in a work situation, I think things will work out to your advantage. Those of you who are involved in a legal matter can also benefit this month, or there could be positive developments with respect to your case. This is interesting because we do have this card, School, which again talks about learning. If you recall, we do have the book here twice in your reading because you did pick up this book. And now we also have school. So certainly this month you're being asked to gain new skills related to your dream career. Maybe you also want to teach others, so you want to impart your knowledge. You want to spread the knowledge that is to others around you. Aside from being guarded and protected, your angels are also asking you to be still, to be patient as well. Maybe it's time to let go of everything and focus on what's important to you at the present moment. We are being asked to be in the here and now. Besides, power is born in stillness. You will understand your true potential when you're quiet, or when you understand your own inner self. Wow, this is indeed remarkable because we do have patience from the Vintage Wisdom Oracle cards here. These are recurring messages here from the book to patience here. That is, I think you need to bide your time. We always desire quick fix solutions, and this obviously raises our own expectations. You may feel at times as though time is running out, or that you have to do a lot. But then if others around you are being clamorous or noisy, I think you need to calm down, be patient. You cannot be a victim of the circumstances that you find yourself in. Perhaps you should surrender to the universe's plans for you. Besides, everything is about divine timing. You can learn your lessons from nature because nature never hurries, but then everything is achieved by nature. To wrap up this reading, we have a last card, which is Swan, Loyalty. I think you desire a strong and loving relationship with your person. It also means that you want somebody who is quite loyal. Fidelity is very important to you. We do have the Four of Clubs here. We do have the Two of Wands here. So certainly you're desiring a partner who is going to be loyal. The swan is a twin flame animal as well. So I think you really desire a partner who will be there for you for life. Other than that, Pile, you need to maintain your grace. While communicating with others, you should understand that the storm clouds will pass. When things don't go according to plan, then our character is tested. So that is why I think it's imperative for you to maintain your grace under all circumstances. I think the experiences in September are going to shape you as a person. I hope, Pile, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time. Those of you who picked Pile, which is the heart right here, certainly you're quite emotional or sensitive. You are somebody who feels a great deal. I think your heart chakra needs to be worked upon. You need to work on your relationships, that is. Possibly, you should be more receptive to receiving love. You could be someone who wears your heart on your sleeve. Or perhaps you're also coming across as a person who is quite open-handed, like the saying goes, you're all heart, that is. I'll keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading, Pile B, is the Two of Cups. Certainly you desire contentment in your relationships. You want to feel complete. You want to feel at one with your person. This September, unexpected surprises are in store for you. Maybe there'll be reunions. That is why your social life will also be on the upswing. Additionally, also you're going to make gains. I think you'll be on your toes. You may be a bit tired and overworked, but then you need to carry on because this time will also pass. I think you should capitalize. Even while haggling or while dealing with clients or customers, you should ask for higher pay for your services, and you will definitely come away getting the same. Pile B, I'm also picking up that in case your work is being reviewed by someone or in case your project is under review, I think you will get plaudits for the same. You will be appreciated. The next card in this reading is the Six of Cups. I think though you desire contentment in your relationships, there's also going to be those periods when you'll be quite nostalgic. Maybe there's going to be some kind of separation in a relationship. This is a past life card, so perhaps you're dealing with someone from your past as well here. Keep your emotions in check, then all the differences in your relationship could become a thing of the past. The next card in this reading from Lenormand is the Tower card. Work-wise, I think you will be at your creative best. You will also be somebody who is going to isolate yourself because you want to get down to business. The camera just jerked, so maybe if there are delays, you can take heart from the fact that your task will be done. Perhaps you should seek assistance from the various departments, as this will benefit you greatly. Some of you could be in a leadership position, or you could be getting that position of authority as well this September. From Cartomancy, we have this card, Jack of Hearts. Again, emotions are going to be something which could affect your relationships. Sometimes, you may be quite withdrawn. Some people could accuse you of being narcissistic. We do have the Six of Cups, so maybe you're going to be gripped by nostalgia. That is why you want to distance yourself from others. Maybe you're thinking about that special someone. Perhaps it would be prudent to avoid getting embroiled in unnecessary arguments. Maybe your family members or your loved ones could also feel that you don't find time for them. I think you're somebody who doesn't like to enumerate your contributions towards the family, but then this is the month when you should outline whatever it is that you have done to avoid misunderstandings. I'm also picking up that maybe there could be someone who's unwell around you, so that is why you have to be the caregiver. Incidentally, despite the disagreements, I think you will be sought after for your words of wisdom. Incidentally, the next card in your reading is Destruction. Possibly, things may fall apart or it needs to crumble before there could be regeneration. I think you should not resist the change that is there. The old order has to give way to the new. Sometimes you're dealing with a whimsical boss, or maybe someone around you is trying to undermine your authority at work as well. So you need to be mindful of that. I think you should not let ego come in the way. Rather, you should understand that this dismantling is necessary. When we suffer from a loss of some kind, then only we begin to understand things. Maybe you will see things in new light this month. Finances and career or professional matters could also affect your romantic life this month. I think the two of you, in case you're in a romantic connection or you're already romancing, will encourage each other at work. Maybe the two of you are going to be quite flirtatious, but like I said, there could be those times when there could be a distance in this relationship which you need to bridge. Maybe you wish there weren't any limitations. Financial issues could also affect your relationships. That is, perhaps money is being spent on the health of a loved one. That is why it could be something which you will discuss with your lover. Archangel Michael is telling you to go forward fearlessly despite the challenges or despite the destruction on the cards. I think you need to go forward fearlessly. You need to remind yourself that everything is being taken care of. Surely you're on the right path and it's safe for you to move forward with your plans. You need to follow your soul, your heart's desire. Incidentally, you did pick up the heart here, so certainly you need to work from your heart, because whatever you do from your heart or your soul is always going to work out perfectly fine. Maybe it's also a good time for you to think of a new venture as well. Incidentally, your angels are also asking you to pen down your thoughts, because we have this card, author. Perhaps you want to write that book, pen down your feelings and memories. You should understand that this endeavor is also part of your life purpose this September. How remarkable, we have this card, listening with your heart. So the heart symbology has come up again in your reading. Basically, Pile B, you need to trust the messages that you are receiving from your angels and guides. They are communicating with you, so you need to listen to their gentle whispers. In case you are in two minds, or in case you are unable to decide, then you need to follow your heart. I think if you get a nudge from your heart, then you should go in the right direction. Possibly September is also going to awaken you, because from the Vintage Wisdom Oracle cards, we have this awakening message here. This lady, she seems to be emerging from a bed of roses, which symbolizes both pleasure and pain. So even if you are going to feel contentment in your relationships, because we did start this reading with the Two of Cups, there are also going to be those thorns. Basically, pleasure and pain are both a part and parcel of your life this September. Nevertheless, new light is also shining upon this lady. So this is going to be a wake-up call. Maybe you will wake up to your own potential. Perhaps, Palbi, you need to release those old fears. Maybe you should sever ties in case a relationship is not going to make any progress. You should liberate yourself from those damaging relationships. Lastly, we have this card, Orbs of Light. These are messages from the spirit realm. I think you may notice globes of light energy, free floating balls that is around you. They are definitely connected with the spirit world. Perhaps you should also notice the color of these orbs, because they are going to be connected with your chakras. That is, in case you see a violet orb, then it could be connected with your crown chakra. That is, or in case you see a green orb, then it could be connected to your heart chakra. That is, so certainly messages are going to abound this month from your angels and guides. You need to be awakened to them. You need to listen. Certainly, Palbi, you're going to benefit a great deal if you listen to the messages and blessings that are coming your way this September from your higher self, from the spirit guides, and from your angels. I hope, Palbi, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section.